Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to lock and hide apps on iPad 9th Gen. You can lock apps to require Touch ID to open them, or you can hide them, so to even view if the app is installed on your iPad, you'll need to enter Touch ID. In order to do that, press and hold on the app you want to lock or hide, then tap on Require Touch ID, and now you can choose Require Touch ID or Hide and Require Touch ID. For Instagram, I'm gonna choose Require Touch ID. Then put your finger on the Touch ID sensor, and now whenever I open Instagram, it asks me for Touch ID. And now I can open it. I'm gonna hide X. Press and hold on it, then Require Touch ID, hide and Require Touch ID, and put your finger on Touch ID, then click on Hide App. And now to find this app, go to the app library, Hidden, put your finger on the Touch ID sensor, and now you can see that the app is on your tablet, and now you can open it. To hide, just exit out of the app library, and you can see that when you go back into the app library, it's hidden again, and you'll need to click on it again to unhide it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.